Badwam so ena wani so go a wo hwe no ebire ebiedu semede awo kansiem no ensem na bram din ede nyame ba Bernard Padbo twasida kese enkoma game park. Yes, game park sika na nya bedu e wo se bema o yo ba na so so hwe me a the answer wafa phone no dial star 946 hash star 946 hash sika na be go bottom putu anopa 9 am e the draw na ebe so na 12 noon ewia e de be bramo and after 6 p.m. draws miensa and a bit to ya. O train for phone star 946 hash. Ona okono na bibia dida na kwem. We need you so masene se me fa kensim no ensem embro. Me sha se every on regional games are Airbaso Asamojan and edi anima dwumede nyina Airbaso na no omopa dwumede no ho entoma game no beto dwa bosumi eberum November na enye fidi agro na ye reporter kopiem aye confidence o de ho amanebo ebreye.
All regional games are Enanwada Baby Jet Asamojan, former Black Stars captain, Eka Hwasemno, Enra, Walapam Royal Beach, and a page media no toma. Oforinsuo, Bosumeno, Ede Tosu Dumiensa, or more Ebeshe regional to a secra, a creative awareness. Ediama Jumediana, Ebabaso, Ewo Ububu, Bosumenim, Baby Jet Asamojan, Etre Butaya.
Sometimes some of the sports disciplines come to my DM and I say, oh, why don't you bring this? Why don't you bring ours? I don't want to mention the discipline, but I do understand. But this is just the beginning. This is the first edition of the All Regional Games. So I can assure everybody in Ghana that let's make this successful. Let's make All Regional Games a successful one. Let's make it an institute. Let's make it something that our next generation will benefit from. Because we're not looking upon football. Football is the #1 sport in Ghana, no doubt. But we are looking beyond football. We want to make sure all the sports disciplines can also benefit. So in future, when we go to Olympic Games, we won't depend only on football. We depend on different sports disciplines to make Ghana a huge sports country when it comes to sports. So me being here.
Yes, original games no eho empopoye and out and we be to jano you be man money so na maso eswat ye na ni enfanche insenfu from more than we need the 2024 Shark Sheikh Ashaributu Kappa Zongo communities no e de be pem so enye fedi agro zongos makomako eye ediasa 30 and o de be pem so na eno so mo pan ho toma e wa Crown Sports Stadium ya nim sini confidence esa kopi ho a o de ho amanebo ebreye
Ankapa ya bo edishe Chief Imam Sheikh Osman Sharbutu eni onyam no enrada ya pa ho ntoma we ene etoso nkron importem eduasa wo mayi afanamu ene behia edi agudi esunkokra edi ahihye so wo forinsuo bosome no ne de toso eduonu Sheikh Abdallah Banda chairman oda Ghana Hajj Board ano ene centrafo ekasai
on the sports field that we built to joy to entertain ourselves and to unearth talents from all facets of the communities. We know that this game like this is not only restricted to the Muslim Ummah.
And Rechino, Minister for Youth and Sports, Honorable Mustafa Yusuf, Echre Niebema Ramadan Kapi, Ayesron Kokra.
The tournament has become synonymous with the Sheikh Sharutu, which shows that celebrating him through the tournament has been achieved. And also considering the number of community involved in the competition. And I just got a call from my constituency that I've not been fair to them, that the 10th edition, Yagaba Kuboro will be represented.
Yes. Ramadan Kapa, Yabo Edishe, Chief Imam, Sheikh Osman, Sharbutu eni onyamno enrada ya pahontoma we
yes Sheikh Ashaributu Cup 2024 30 Zongo develop communities enya fidi agro en ochina na chiria no de ba ne wie en se sala ne eto aso ntina se bibia de dana kwem weni nsema ekoso e wo shake aso ye game park yes game park o ye be ma uniska holiday yes abai chairman waso be she file phone no file phone na dial star 946 hash ne follow prompt no the answer wetwa na wedi yes game park sikano ebe be gu bottom pufu na bibia draw no ebe so 9 am no pay ya first draw no be so ntu ntwa ya koso na kotwa 12 noon ebe 12 ya sign ade bako ebe pem so na 6 pm ya the last one out odwa sika de hede o na enra na osmosis etwetwa bi na se odidi ya se osmo bibia de dana kwem cameraman ogina we twetwa phone make na okoso sika de o ye bema se onya bi na bibia ekoso ya na ine fa chance from na midweek GPO ebeba so na Krobia Kumasi Asante Kotoko ebekoye across of folks so ebekoye coach Maswa Kunodu come back to Kumasi last season obeye century ni wo ho so said this season so obetimi aye na bre ene krabia ene bekre ntino sa match we ochina ye de bebre mu bibi beto from bia na so folk match ne titiru kofo ene di chipa coach Kwatara ye hwe ene besi em se ene ba mama ho kwan na me dia wo kansiem no nsem ne sin Champions League ni bi ebeba so yes Champions League enra Arsenal irade Arsenal for enyama o Arsenal for omo trafie ani Bayern Munich erebo 2-2 now that anyway ni ere kire Spain enra match na nkofo ni tie pa Hala Madrid Real Madrid yes intino efidi na di eduma mofa enchen bibia ekoso na enra Manchester City etukwan eriko Spain omkonya 3-3 enye bad game return leg na ebepaso na yahwe de ebekoso ene match se betumi atoto jan PSG ene Barcelona Kylian Mbappe versus Barcelona emu be den Arsenal Atletico Madrid ene Borussia Dortmund one of the biggest game and so ene two matches ene to jan tino foul phone nda dial star 946 hash this egubo to my game pack yes omo eno maso ya sinema no pay ede awokansiem no ensem ebrema ha ena mede mu esi nyame Adom bibia ebeto so na health bits eso ebeto dwam din ede nyame ba Bernard Padibotwe